Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. A special welcome back to Cook and Share. Three things I love are chicken, rolls, and cheese, and I decided to put them together and make these chicken Parmesan roll-ups. You can do them really fast, they're economical, you're going to love them, so let me walk you through it. So what I've got here are two chicken breasts that I've cut in half, and I'm going to cut them in half again diagonally here, just so they tuck in nicely. And you get kind of a triangle. And we're going to go ahead and season these up with some salt. My all-time favorite, some ground black pepper. A little dash of garlic powder, just to keep those vampires away, as I always say. And you can add the spices of your choice too. These are just my favorite, and we're going to keep this simple. And of course, do this for the other side. Alright, I'm going to add a good knob of butter to a non-stick pan. And I'm just going to kind of let this melt down. Add the chicken in. Chicken, chicken, I love chicken. And we're going to let this fry for about 4 minutes or so on each side, just until the chicken is nicely browned. Halfway through, give these a flippy. Now the chicken is nicely browned, I'm just going to set it aside on a plate. Next up, we're going to spray our baking tray with some cooking spray. Lay our crescent rolls on the baking tray. And oh no, here comes the Pillsbury doughboy. Kind of cut them up and divide them. Now I'm using a pizza cutter here, but you can use a knife or the device of your choice. Place our chicken onto the large end of the triangle, like that. Top it up with some of that wonderful ooey gooey mozzarella. Grab the end here, and we're simply going to roll this up. This is going to be so good, guys. And we'll just move this guy up here. Take some melted butter and spread it over the top. And I should mention too, guys, that these are so easy to make. And you can make them relatively quickly, and budget-wise, they are pretty inexpensive. Spread some grated Parmesan over the top. Now, these are the cheeses I like, but you can use the cheeses of your choice. Another interesting fact is these are very similar to pigs in a blanket, which are sausage inside a crescent roll. And I'm going to go ahead and slip these into a 375-degree Fahrenheit preheated oven for about 18-20 minutes, just until they're nicely done and browned. After about 18 minutes or so, they're beautifully done, so I'm just going to garnish these up with some fresh parsley. And there you have it, guys, our chicken Parmesan roll-ups. Absolutely incredible. Okay, let's go ahead and give these a taste, but I want you to stick around after the taste test because there's something I want to run by you. Guys, sorry for talking with my mouth full, but this is absolutely incredible. The cheese just shines through the rolls and the chicken is just beautiful. You got to make this. Okay guys, what I was going to run by you is after the video, and this would be completely after the video, I thought about doing a little segment called Stove Talk. And what we could do, we could talk about different types of oil, knives, pans, whatever it might be. So again, what you would do is you would watch the video, and if you decided, no, I've had enough, I want to cook, that's fine. Or if you wanted to stick around for stovetop, that would be great too. So let me know in the description section below. And again, thanks for watching and subbing. and talk to you later.